Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account at Account, Microsoft.com. This ensures you can change security info. Once signed in, navigate to Security Advanced Security Options so you modify two-step verification. Make sure your current phone number or authenticator is available for verification prompts because the system will confirm it before allowing a change. If you plan to use an authenticator app, install it now. This saves time and prevents lockout during the switch. Once in Advanced Security Options, find the section for two-step verification and multi-factor auth settings where you can add or remove methods. You should remove the outdated phone number only after adding the new number or authenticator to avoid losing access. Add the new phone number and request a verification code, or scan the QR code into your authenticator app and confirm the generated code. Make sure you complete verification immediately so Microsoft recognizes the new method as active. After verifying the new phone or app, set it as your primary two-step method and review recovery options like backup email and printed codes. Those prevent lockout. Once set, sign out and sign back into Outlook or Microsoft services to test that prompts arrive correctly and that you can authenticate. If the verification fails, retry adding the method and check time sync on your Authenticator app. Incorrect device time is the most common cause of code mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.